Hello everyone and welcome to DJARCADE Production, the new frontier of audio and video productions in the international dance scene.
Hello and welcome to the channel, DJARCADE tutorial section. In this video, we do not discuss the topic of copyright on published songs. DJARCADE dissociates itself from infringement of copyright on publications, video and audio. Some of the audio material in this non-proprietary video is used purely for educational purposes. In accordance with the rules imposed by the YouTube platform and obviously excluded from any monetization, DJARCADE in the productions of MASHUP cover and remix always uses his own video sequences DJARCADE Production, or royalty-free without copyright, and audio tracks both by DJARCADE Production and obviously by other authors. In the second case, however, always in accordance with the rules imposed by the YouTube platform, and without any monetization, content ID's claim on these videos has no impact on the channel. No strikes or copyright infringement. Pattern registration. As anticipated in the second video, today we will record the verse 1 pattern on SoundForge, then apply the loop cuts and save the wave ready to be combined with other patterns in the mashup. For convenience, we already have other patterns ready, namely, intro, bridge 1 and chorus 1, which we will link to verse 1 above. Note, normally the mixing on SoundForge is done on the entire raw mashup. In this case, we will only do it on verse 1, which we will then combine with the other ready-made and mixed example patterns. Here we are dealing with example techniques and not the construction of an entire project, which would require the creation of many videos on the same topic. As per the title, just a look behind the scenes. With the pattern ready on VDJ, we go to SoundForge, where we also see the other three, and record the verse 1 by pressing New, Rec, and finally Stop. Now we cut the superfluous and send the sequence in loop to verify that it is cut perfectly. The recorded audio stream does not require normalization or equalization, and not even stereo expansion. We only apply compression with the master preset to adapt it to the other patterns. Pattern union and mashup export. Now let's merge the patterns and export the demo file, which we will call Demo Mashup. Sample rate, 44,100 or 48,000. Format, WAV. Stereo PCM. Department, 24-bit. Well, in the next and final episode we will import the mashup onto the DAW. FL Studio Producer Edition, simply adding a couple of crash drum samples, and we will prepare the mastering using the Alliance plugin. Elijah Alpha Compressor. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so and activate the bell so you don't miss any updates. If you like this video, leave us a like. Until next time.
Yeah. Yeah. Feeling kinda lonely. If I could make up. Feeling kinda lonely. Yeah.
DJ Arcade, Groove Me Production, Music Production Studio. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.